Hey guys, this is your guy DJ here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are discussing another 25,000 budget build. It's a build based on AMD Ryzen APU and it's great for this budget. So without any further ado, let's talk about this. For the processor, we are going with an AMD Ryzen 3 3200G. It's a 4-core 4-threads processor. It has a base clock of 3.6 GHz and can be boosted up to 4 GHz. The processing power of the CPU is enough for your daily basic needs. The CPU also comes with Vega 8 GPU. This GPU can run all games at 720p medium settings above 60 FPS. For more demanding games, you'll have to lower your quality, but it should be playable. So it's a good GPU APU package at this budget. For the motherboard, we are going with the GALAX A320M motherboard. It's a micro ATX motherboard, has 2 RAM slots, can take up to 32 GB of RAM. The motherboard at the back has the usual USB ports, display output like the HDMI. So a decent selection of back ports. On the motherboard you have M.2 Gen 3 slot, so you could hook up another NVMe drive in the future. So a small black color motherboard which looks good and it's very reasonably priced. For the RAM, we'll be using a single stick of 8 GB from Adata. It's a XPG Gammix D30 RAM. It runs at 2666 MHz, which is what the maximum frequency our motherboard supports. 8 GB of RAM should be enough for gaming. You should handle all your daily tasks as well. Also, the RAM has a heatsink. For the storage, we are using an SSD from Crucial. It's a BX500 240 GB capacity SSD. It has a read and write speed of around 500 Mbps and should help the PC boot up faster and also help the app launch up time. For additional and optional storage, we have a Seagate Barracuda 1 TB hard disk. For all your access media, you could use this for storage. Since we are strict on a budget, I recommend using an SSD since that will give you a faster experience overall. For powering all these components, we'll be using a power supply from Aerocool. It's a VX Plus 450 watts power supply. 450 watts should be enough for this build as there is no GPU, and even if you have a basic GPU, the power supply can handle it. The power supply itself has a 3-year warranty, so it should not have any problems. When it comes to performance, this power supply should give you good quality over long periods. For the case, we are going with Aerocool Aero 300 mid tower. It's a very simple case which has no side glass panels or any other fancy RGB. It comes with a fan included at the rear. Also, you have additional fan spaces so you can mount your own fans. At the top you have support for 2 fans, and at the side you have support for 1 fan, and at the front also you do have support for some more fans. It also has a bottom shroud so you could cover your cables there, and also at the back there is some space for cable management. So overall a decent case for this price. Case is your choice, you could go for another case if you like, and you could even reduce your budget there. So the budget for this PC comes around 25,000 rupees. If you add another optional Seagate 1 TB hard disk, budget comes around 28,000 rupees. If you do have more budget, you could go with another processor like the Ryzen 5 3400G, which will give you better gaming performance. If your budget is strictly 25,000, I suggest you could skip the hard disk. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you like this one as well. And do let me know in the comment section below. If you liked it, hit the like button to share and subscribe for more videos like this. I'll see you in my next one. Peace.